Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the rotation through 90 degree for year 9 and 10 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Rotation. Draw the image of the given shape under the rotation described. Center of rotation, origin 0, 0. Angle of rotation 90 degree anti-clockwise. We have to rotate this shape 90 degree anti-clockwise. That means I am moving my shape from second quadrant to the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, x is also negative, y is also negative. First, we have to write down the coordinates of the given figure while looking at the origin here. This is my origin. I have to rotate this figure. Let's write down all the coordinates P, Q, R, S, T. P will be given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 0, 6. Q will be minus 5, 9. Minus 5, 9. R will be minus 8, 7. Let's write down here minus 8, 7. S minus 8, 3. Minus 8, 3. T minus 5, 2. Minus 5 and 2. Let's write down the coordinates here. P will be given as 0, 6. Q is minus 5, 9. R is minus 8, 7. S is minus 8, 3. T is minus 5 and 2. As we know that we have to rotate our picture 90 degree anti-clockwise. In the 90 degree clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation, we have to switch the position of x and y. Let's switch the positions here. This will be written as 6, 0. This will be written as 9 minus 5. This will be written as 7 minus 8. This will be written as 3 minus 8. This will be written as 2 minus 5. As we know that in the third quadrant, when I rotate my picture anti-clockwise, x is also negative, y is also negative. I have to make all x negative. Y coordinate is already negative. I don't have to do anything here. I need to change the sign of my x coordinate because x coordinate is also negative. Let's write down the negative sign in front of all my coordinates here. Now let's plot the coordinates. Minus 6, 0. That will be given as minus 6, 0 is here. Minus 9, minus 5. Minus 9, minus 5 is here. Minus 7, minus 8. Minus 7, minus 8 is here. Minus 3, minus 8. Minus 3, minus 8 is here. Minus 2, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 5 is here. Let's draw the shape. This will be my shape. Let's write down the coordinates now. This will be P dash. That will be Q dash, R dash, S dash and T dash. This is my picture after rotating through 90 degree anti-clockwise. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.